Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Imran and my teammate name is Yashwant Raj Varikunta. We are doing this assignment as a part of Innovation and Entrepreneurship third assignment pitch deck. Our group name is Siraj Group. We are doing this assignment under the guidance of Professor Mudul Mishra sir. So let us start. Problem description. What problem or pain are you solving? Providing an application to make learning easy for students from 1 to 12, and every student should love learning and get addicted to learning. We will provide the materials for students to revise the topics and to gain the better concept by high qualified teachers. Our video lectures provides the visual learning where the students are able to visualize the concept in a 3D way. Who has this problem? All students from 1 to 12th classes and middle class, poor class students who are under economically backward. It will also help the governments to provide the English medium education to all the children who are studying in the government schools. Next, let us discuss about proposed solution for the above problem. With this e-learning, students can easily revise the topics in their syllabus, which are CBSE, CISCE, IB, IGCSE, or State Board. With the help of this e-learning app, all students get the high quality of education from the highly qualified core team. Weekly twice dubbed sessions, personal mentors, daily feedback collection from children and parents who are subscribed to this e-learning platform. Good communication with student and parent by phone call, via email or WhatsApp. E-learning is an education tutoring app we will run on a premium model with free access to content limited for 1 month after the registration. Next, let us discuss about value proposition. E-learning offers an experience that rivals the real classroom and should prove to be a useful utility for teachers and students of all subject matters who wants to understand the concept better than their school teachers and who wants to be successful in academics, learning everywhere at any time. It will provide exact syllabus of the student having in their own schools. E-learning services as a platform that allow instructors to build online courses on topic of their choosing tutors. E-learning has made a special effort to attract the teachers. We will give the partnership to them, lifetime partnership. From here, my friend Yashwant Raj will continue the session.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashantras. Now we are going to discuss about the market opportunity. High cost, low digital connectivity, offline teaching classes, promos engineering or medical seat, JE mains, etc. These all can be your opportunity. There are many illusions that will have tie up before a true product of the impact is visible. And if we discuss about the business model canvas, there are key partners in which investors, cloud provider, affiliates, instructors, or tutors will be present. And we have key activities where web development, maintenance, tutorments will be present. And we should require key resources like innovation system, funding, and platform. And if we discuss about the value propositions, we should like online learning and teaching market, self-learning, access to give good quality education with low price. And if we go for customer relationship, we should require a mobile app or direct calls, collaborate with schools, etc. And if we go to the channels, we should require mobile app, ads, team, YouTube, and loans. And if we go to the customer services, we require students, parents, other competitive exams, which will come under customer segment. And if we go to the cost structure, we require web portal, promotions, employees, data centers for tutors. And if you go to the revenue system, premium model, product based, and school ads, all of these are briefly described in our second assignment. So if we go to the fund requirements, our proposed bill of materials for mobile application, it requires from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. For to set up company and employee salaries, we require 10 lakhs. For tutors, we will direct partnership. We will deal about direct partnership. For product, tablet, phone, buying in bulk as per the requirement. And if we go to the competitor analysis, name of the competitors are all the online teaching companies. How you are different to your competitor? If we talk about that, we should be good in communication. We should be good in content and products with low price. We are good by using AR and VR technology. We are good by some other indirect methods for to up the growth of our company. Thank you for listening to our assignment. Thank you.